Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is the 14th day of January 2022. We're going to talk about silver today. Yes, I'm going to give you all an update as to why I'm still looking for this price in silver to go up. Now, maybe not explode, but hey, we'll take a movement higher in price, all right? Welcome to HueFin, also known as HueFin. This is what I do. I do price prediction without the confusion. I simply look at what everyone else is trying to do with their money just by looking at the price chart. It speaks volumes to us once we can see what everyone else is trying to do, and all we need to do is come in and look at the chart, see what everyone else is thinking, and we get in a position right alongside with the market so that we can win. So if you guys appreciate it, hit the like button, consider and also subscribe here to the channel. Now first, before I show you why I'm looking for this price in silver to continue to go up, let me talk about my last video, my last price prediction, which was on November the 15th. Yes, it's still in the playlist. You guys can see it right here. Okay, I was being bullish into the market in silver, and the market has completely fell off a cliff from when I did that video. Cool, no issues, no problems about that, right? Now, why do I say that? Because the market in silver still confirmed right here that it wants to trade sideways still. The buyers came in and propped up the price in silver around $21.45, just like it did here in October. Just like it did here December 2020, just like it did here in September 2020. Buyers are here. Now, one thing I would say that I did not do correct is me showing you where my area of support is for me to maintain the bullishness into the market. I should have brought it down a little bit lower, which I'm going to do now to compensate for that. So now it tells me that the buyers in the market in silver were willing to bring the price down to $21.45. That's where they appeared. That's where they showed up. So now, what do you think about the price in silver going up though? I mean, look at all this time. Really think about this market in silver has just been trading sideways since July 2020. So it's been well over a year that this market, almost about to go on 2 years in July 2022 for silver. And this market has just pretty much been trading within those two lines the whole time. What's going on? People buying and selling in between these two lines. Because that's the only thing we can get in the market. Like, let's not make this complex. The only thing that you can do in these markets is buy and sell. That's it. Those are the only two things that can even move price. No news event, no news catalyst, nothing can move price except what you and I do by pressing the buy or sell button. That's it. So what do you think is going on here? Let's take a look at this on a different time frame. Okay. So this is silver here on a 5-day price chart, right? Weak or strong? Do you think price is going to go up? Do you think price is going to go down? Look at this on a weekly. Weak or strong? Look at this on the monthly. What happened right here for the month of December lets me know that the market in silver still wants to go up. What we have right now for the month of January is a probable precursor of strength, meaning in the next 17 days and 9 hours, we want to see the market close higher than the previous month's close, because it tells me that the buyers are still controlling the market. So as of right now, looking from this from a monthly perspective, I'm still looking for silver to go up. It will have to be from a long-term perspective though, right? Not necessarily following this from a daily time frame or weekly. No, the play that I'm seeing the strength is on a longer term basis. I mean, look at this on the 3 months. Even though we saw weakness over the last 3 months in trading in silver, we were still able to see the market close higher than the previous 3 months close. So there's still some buying going on here in the market in silver. What happened on the 6 months? Take a look. $12 months. So the last 12 months of trading, right? We saw about the same amount of volume from the previous 12 months, January 2020, but the spread from January 2020 is a lot wider than the one from 2021. What does it mean? It means that there was a whole lot of selling going on into the market in silver. So let me tell you from off the rip, 2022 is going to be real important to see buyers uphold this weakness that came through for 2021. We need to see the buyers uphold the price. And with all this volume and this very small spread, that is what this is currently insinuating. It is that the buyers came in the market in silver to keep this price from falling. Now, we got 12 months. And if they continue to do that, the long-term basis from a yearly run would mean that, yeah, silver's going to go a lot higher in price, especially if the buyers uphold this market from falling below $20. Just saying. Okay. So now, what I'm going to do, okay, is even though, yes, this price in silver is down in my prediction, I am still going to keep it here though. Now, you might have to go back and listen to what I said on my previous video about silver in terms of my price targets, right? $26 may be first. I'm not sure if I said $26 would be the first price target, but looking at it now, that would be the first spot for us to at least take some profits out this market. Yeah, and it's not a lot, it's only 3%, but hey, I know that this is where the sellers will be trying to drop the price again. So I want us to be caught off guard. Before the market drops again, let's take that $26 price target and run and go with it, right? Ultimately up there around 28. Okay, so that's only around 11% ultimately. But overall, I mean, until we see this price in silver break this area to where the buyers are at, you know, $21.45, we need to continue to be a little bit more bullish in this market until such time. Okay, so that's pretty much it. Wanted to come in and show you, you know, the reason why I'm still looking for the price in silver to go up. Not necessarily explode, but I still see that the market is trying to trigger and continue to pursue higher prices. So I'm not going to change my price prediction. So you can kind of look at this as an update as to what's been going on since my last video. Came in, talked about that. Now you guys can see why I'm still looking for the price of silver to go up, namely in the long term. It doesn't mean that we won't have any fluctuations on a daily basis. Price can still hover below, you know, around $21.45. But as long as we don't break it on weakness, then understandably, this market is trying to go up, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to extend these lines out a little bit further so we can continue to follow the market. Okay. And that's it right there. So now it's your turn. I mean, what is your thesis? What is your analysis telling you? Let me know. The comment section is open. Show it to the world. Show everyone what is your price target, where you think the price in silver is going to go as we approach the month of May. All right, I'm done. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.